I've been thinking a lot lately about the sexual benefits of garlic, so I decided to make a video about it. In this video, I'll go over some of the most common claims about the sexual health benefits of garlic. Hi, my name is Dr. Alan Jeffery and you are watching the ProDoctorFinder YouTube channel, where we explore evidence-based topics in health and wellness. Please like this video, and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest content. Press on the bell icon to get notifications each time we publish a new video. Now, let's get started. So is there science behind garlic's sexual health benefits? Numerous studies on unraveling the garlic benefits for men revealed that the humble garlic clove can be a game changer. The secret lies in its compound, allicin, which boosts blood flow and circulation, two crucial aspects for a healthy and satisfying sexual life. Allicin stimulates the production of nitric oxide in the body, a potent vasodilator that opens up blood vessels and can increase blood flow. Thus, it can be stated that garlic increases sexual drive, improve male fertility. Garlic consumption or garlic and honey intake can prevent leading risk factors for impotence. Nutritional value of eating garlic cloves for men. It cannot be overstated, the essential role that garlic supplements in dietary regimen of men, particularly in regards to their wellness of their sexual organs. Taking 3 to 4 cloves of garlic into one's daily intake has the potential to offer a multitude of health benefits, from boosting immunity to reducing the risk of chronic illnesses. Its potency lies in its allicin content, which is known to promote increasing blood flow and provide numerous cardiovascular benefits. Garlic is truly a versatile and timeless aromatic wonder with a rich heritage. With roots tracing back to the bountiful fields of Central Asia, garlic is a pungent and flavorful bulb belonging to the onion family. Its versatility has made it a staple ingredient in kitchens worldwide, lending its robust taste to a myriad of dishes. But garlic's culinary significance is only the tip of the iceberg. For thousands of years, this humble plant has been revered for its medicinal properties, and its widespread use in ancient cultures such as the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans speaks volumes of its importance. Even today, garlic continues to be widely grown and consumed. Its reputation as a superfood having several health benefits is only growing stronger with each passing day. Whether it's for its ability to boost the immune system, lower blood pressure, or simply add a zesty kick to our meals, to eat garlic has proven time and time again why it's a must-have ingredient in any pantry. So, raise a clove of garlic to this aromatic wonder that has stood the test of time and still manages to leave us in awe with its many gifts. Chemical composition and health benefits for the body. The chemical composition of garlic is nothing short of remarkable, and its impact on the human body is far-reaching. A seemingly simple bulb, garlic boasts a complex network of active compounds, including the infamous allicin. It is this compound, specifically, that gives garlic its signature pungent odor and plays a crucial role in its reputation as a health powerhouse. The magic behind allicin's production lies in the allinase enzyme, which is unleashed upon the crushing or chopping of garlic. This enzyme sets off a chain reaction that transforms allicin into allicin, which boasts potent anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antiviral properties. How garlic works in improving men's sexual health. By invigorating blood flow and circulation, it can revitalize sexual performance, a critical aspect of men's health. The allicin within garlic, when ingested, can elevate nitric oxide levels in the body, a compound that functions as a vasodilator, relaxing blood vessels and encouraging blood to flow more freely. The consequence of this heightened circulation is a significant improvement in sexual performance, as the genital area receives an increased amount of blood. Garlic has been demonstrated to have a positive effect on testosterone levels too, which is vital for sexual drive, increased libido, and performance in preventing erectile dysfunction. Raw garlic cloves, a natural solution for erectile dysfunction. The perils of erectile dysfunction, ED, loom large over many a male, causing them to suffer in silence and impacting their quality of life. In an era where modern medicine has a panacea for every malady, some men are seeking solace in the age-old natural remedies to enhance their sexual well-being. A recent study has revealed the potency of garlic in tackling the issue of ED, thereby restoring one's vitality and virility. The study shows that garlic, with its many beneficial properties, can improve erectile function and provide relief to those struggling with erectile dysfunction. Raw garlic is known for its pungent aroma and delicious taste. Garlic benefits range from lowering blood pressure to fighting infections. Fresh garlic has a range of benefits that make it an ideal choice for men seeking natural remedy for erectile dysfunction. Revitalizing sexual function through enhanced blood circulation in the penis. the miraculous properties of garlic unveiled. Garlic harbors a hidden secret that can significantly impact sexual health. The allicin compound present in garlic has been demonstrated to boost nitric oxide levels, a potent vasodilator that has the ability to dilate blood vessels, thus facilitating increased blood flow and circulation throughout the body. This is crucial for sustaining optimal sexual performance, as increased blood flow to the genital area results in stronger, longer-lasting erections. Effect on nitric oxide levels. Low nitric oxide can result in a dire consequence, erectile dysfunction. But there is a glimmer of hope. Garlic, with its potent allicin content, has been scientifically proven to elevate nitric oxide levels and improve sexual function. This elevation not only increases blood flow but also enhances erectile function. Additionally, raw garlic benefits improve mental health, prevent chronic disease. Garlic, a promising solution for men struggling with erectile dysfunction. Amidst the numerous challenges faced by men with erectile dysfunction, garlic might just emerge as a beacon of hope. It has a remarkable ability to improve blood vessel function and raise nitric oxide levels, thereby leading to improved sexual benefits and more robust erections. Not only that, garlic can fight inflammation and works wonders in reducing oxidative stress, further augmenting erectile functionality. If you're among the men grappling with erectile dysfunction, it's time to give garlic sexually a try for about a month. You can order some garlic pills, aged garlic extract, garlic and honey mixture online from different sites if garlic eaten raw is not your choice. Garlic for increased testosterone production. Low testosterone levels can cause decreased libido, i.e. decreased sex drive, impotence, and muscle loss. To combat these consequences, many men have set their sights on boosting testosterone levels, and this is where eating garlic comes into play. The mighty garlic. Boosting testosterone in men with complex compounds. Research suggests that garlic has proven to boost the king of male hormones. It is replete with active compounds, such as allicin, that elevate the production of luteinizing hormone, LH, in the human body. LH, as you might know, acts as a messenger to the testicles, instructing them to synthesize testosterone, which can also help in improving erectile dysfunction. It is also an antioxidant supplement that shields against the detrimental effects of oxidative stress, which has long been recognized as a factor in lowering testosterone levels. Thus, by eating garlic in your diet, you not only receive a testosterone boost but also safeguard against testosterone decline. Advantages of testosterone for both sexual and physical well-being. Testosterone, the male sex hormone, when present in ample amounts, can confer a multitude of benefits, not just for sexual life but also for one's general well-being. A surge in testosterone levels can result in a revitalized libido, stronger erections, and a noticeable enhancement in sexual performance. Furthermore, testosterone serves a pivotal purpose in preserving muscle mass, preserving the strength of bones, providing an energy boost, lowering blood pressure. It's also worth mentioning that higher testosterone levels have the ability to elevate one's mood, improve cognitive function, help fight high blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, the leading cause of cardiovascular diseases. Uncovering the optimal dose of garlic for elevated testosterone, a conundrum yet to be solved. Health benefits of garlic are widely recognized, but precise quantity necessary for a significant boost in testosterone levels remains elusive. Despite this uncertainty, some research suggests that incorporating a daily serving of 2 to 3 garlic cloves into one's diet may result in noticeable improvement. It is important to keep in mind that the response to eating garlic can vary greatly from person to person. Thus, further research is imperative in determining the ideal dose for testosterone enhancement. Garlic consumed raw on empty stomach with honey benefits in lowering low-density cholesterol levels and provides vitamin C. We are yet to fully comprehend the garlic benefits and intricacies of its effects on testosterone. If you eat garlic in a modest amount of 2 to 3 raw garlic cloves daily, it could help you to enhance not only your male fertility, but also improve erectile dysfunction, significantly improve cholesterol levels and boost heart health. A natural remedy for improved sperm health and increased sperm count. Recently, there has been increasing interest in the potential benefits of raw garlic for sperm health. Here we will explain how garlic can improve sperm count, motility, and quality, and the potential benefits for men trying to conceive. The aromatic antidote for fertility woes. Unpacking the benefits of garlic on sperm health. Recently, research has shed light on the remarkable influence of garlic on sperm health. Allicin in garlic cloves not only elevates sperm count but also enhance its motility. Also, its antioxidant properties play a crucial role in shielding sperm from the detrimental effects of free radicals, thereby upgrading its quality. Unleashing the fertility potential of garlic for men. Navigating the path to conception success. For men aspiring to fatherhood, garlic offers a tantalizing proposition, a potential boost to sperm health and fertility. A dash of this pungent bulb in the daily diet can lead to heightened sperm count and improved mobility, thus escalating the chances of successful fertilization. And that's not all. Garlic's impact on testosterone levels is also a feather in its cap, as this hormone plays a crucial role in male fertility. By consuming garlic, men can reap the benefits of not just an improved sperm count but also heightened sperm quality. So, for those looking to expand their family, incorporating garlic into their daily regimen might just be the trick to unlocking the door to parenthood. Don't miss out on the chance to give your fertility an extra edge with the powerful properties of garlic. Garlic. A promising culinary condiment for optimal sperm health? Garlic, a staple in the culinary world, has long been renowned for its various health benefits. But did you know that it can also contribute to better sperm health? While the precise amount of garlic required for optimal sperm health benefits remains elusive, recent studies indicate that consuming 2 to 3 cloves daily may be sufficient to enhance the health of sperm. It is worth mentioning that everyone reacts differently to garlic, and thus, the optimal dose that leads to improvement in sperm health is yet to be determined. However, this pungent bulb is showing promising results in boosting sperm count, motility, and quality. Men looking to conceive may want to include garlic in their diet as it is a simple and natural way to enhance their sperm health. You can eat raw garlic daily on an empty stomach, bake a garlic bread, in the form of garlic pills or a garlic and honey spread. Yet, it is crucial to note that we need to comprehend the full extent of garlic's impact on sperm health and improving erectile dysfunction. It can also help relieve cold symptoms and is effective as a remedy for common cold. In essence, garlic's potential to enhance sperm health is a compelling argument for incorporating this versatile herb in one's daily diet. So, the next time you add garlic to your meal, remember that it may do more than just tantalize your taste buds. It has been found to increase testosterone levels, improve blood circulation, and reduce oxidative stress, which are all key factors in maintaining sexual health. In addition, garlic has also been shown to have antimicrobial and antiviral properties, which can help to protect against sexually transmitted infections. Furthermore, garlic is an easy and affordable addition to a healthy diet, making it a great choice for those looking to improve their sexual health. With this, our video comes to an end. Let us know in the comments what you think about sexual health benefits of garlic and when you should use it. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.